Yo, what's going on, everybody? Coming to you with an exclusive video. I have a 2016 F-150 2.7 EcoBoost. My truck was smoking. When I put gas in it, it would not crank back up immediately. Check engine light came on and everything, and sometime when I drive, it'll cut off. I had to find out the most difficult way what this problem was. Apparently a lot of people don't know, but apparently Ford does. It's a common thing with these trucks. So I had to go to Ford to buy the part. The part is $86.83 with tax. It comes out to $92.91. Here's the part number right here, and that's the part that I had to purchase. And this is how it looks. It's the canister purge valve. That's it right there, everybody. All you need is a little socket tool set to take it out. Here's how you change this part. You're gonna need the socket for that screw and for this screw right here by the oil head. This piece comes off. Let me show you guys what happens when I start up my car every morning or after it sits for a while. White smoke out the tailpipe. So once you unscrew this piece here, it'll come out. And once you unscrew the second one, and this top will remove just like so. Move the whole piece. All you do is look for this piece here just like so, and that's it right here. It's a latch right here you pull up, another latch right here, and you just pull that out. The same way you pulled everything out, there's electrical, you pull that out. You put this in the same exact way. Very easy fix. Ford would have probably charged you guys arm and leg to do this job. And like I said, they have the piece in stock. It's a common thing with these vehicles. All right, you guys, this is my old piece right here. As you can see, they're a complete match. This is the old piece. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It was very challenging trying to get those pins off. You see that pin, the white one right here, and then the groove one, and then they go to electrical right there that I had to pull off. It was very, very challenging. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You're gonna need a screwdriver to take the electrical off. The reason being, because it has this little hook right here. So you need a screwdriver to get up under there and pop it up to pull the electrical off. It was very challenging. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But if you don't give up like I didn't, you'll get it. There you have it. I put everything back together. The takeoff part was hard, but the put on part was very, very easy. Very easy. Everything just popped in and you put the pins back down. Super easy. I started it back up. No more white smoke. I'm gonna take it for a test drive and everything.